Welcome back to another video, guys, and today I want to talk about AMC. AMC is blowing up, and for the majority of you guys that opened call contracts a couple of days ago, you should be happy right now. I know that the gains are very good for anyone who is investing in AMC or who invested in AMC last week. And even if you invested earlier on this week on Tuesday, if you were able to get into AMC on Tuesday, you'll be very happy now because you're up 100% or more on your investments. Your money has doubled and we still have a far way to go, and that's what I want to talk about in this video. But before we get into all the details with AMC, just two quick reminders. First off, a lot of people have been commenting below and asking what is AMC and where to invest in AMC. And when I refer to AMC, I'm talking about AMC Entertainment, the company, the movie company or theater company, and also the stock that is skyrocketing right now. There is a potential short squeeze that is just about to happen at any time soon. And you guys can purchase AMC on Robinhood, or you can purchase it on Webull. That's what I do because I don't really trust Robinhood that well because they have halted trades in the past. So you can use Webull. I use Webull. So if you need a platform to trade AMC on right now, check the links down below in the description. I have links to Robinhood and Webull. You can choose any one you wish, and you can also get some free stocks for signing up and depositing your first $100 in your brokerage account. Now, with that said, special shout out to all my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel once again. I really appreciate all the support. Shiba Army strong, but we're talking about AMC right now. And if you're new here, my name is Ian, and on this channel, I talk about ways to make money, ways to save your money, ways to invest money, whether that's in crypto or the stock market or starting a business or side hustle. I talk about credit cards and banking apps and everything to do with personal finance. So if you like this video and you like these types of topics, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. It's 100% free to give this video a thumbs up. And also consider subscribing to the channel and turning on all notifications. And that way you'll never miss the updates of when I post new videos on this channel, which is going to be every single day and possibly several times per day. Now, AMC is trending in the $60 area, and it actually went up as high as $75 after hours. I was watching it. However, it took a small dip down to that $50 area. I'm thinking about loading up on some more AMC. I actually wish that I loaded up on a lot more, but I expect there to be at least a few minor dips here and there. So I'm waiting for a larger dip to load up on some more AMC because I believe it will be blowing up in the coming days. Now, with that said, let's look at the charts and what AMC is actually doing right now. So if you look at the charts, you'll see some very interesting things here, right? So first of all, if we look all the way back to around May 27th or 28th, where AMC started to make its spike and spike a lot, we can see some volume here. But what I want you guys to look at is the amount of volume. See, these green candlesticks, they're very small. They're so tiny. They're almost so small that you can hardly see them on the chart. And the difference here is that now we have a lot of volume right now today. Now, not only is there a lot more volume right now today, but if you look at the charts, you'll realize that we have a lot less red candlesticks right now as opposed to June 27th to 28th when there was that first major spike. There was a lot of volume then, but there was also a lot of red candles, and now we have mostly people buying and bullish on AMC. We're not seeing that sell-off, and if you watched my previous videos, I was initially thinking that some people who were paper hands were going to definitely have the effects of paper hands and they were going to trade and sell off at around $75. But it seems that everyone is holding the line right now, holding the line very firmly, and we have a lot of volume and a lot of bullish activity on AMC. Now, what's even more interesting is that AMC rallied all the way up from what, $30 or $35, $40 and up all the way to $60. And then after hours, it made its way to $75. So yes, there is a small minor dip right now here, but there isn't a massive sell-off, and AMC's kind of consolidating right now, which means that people are still holding. So this is very good news if you're investing, and very interesting, and this thing could actually blow any minute now. Now, some more interesting things happening would be Jim Cramer, who is very popular and also a guy that is on the side of Wall Street bets, and he made a statement yesterday. He was saying that AMC is overvalued. But even though he's saying that, retail investors and Wall Street bets don't seem to care. Everyone investing doesn't seem to care about market fundamentals or what these experts are saying. Instead, everyone seems to be holding the line, which is good. So even though Jim Cramer and all the other people are saying that AMC is overvalued and that our 5 minutes of fame is going to be over very soon, the price did dip a little yesterday. It went back down to the 50s, but there was a rally right after, which then showed that Wall Street bets and retail investors are very serious about AMC and were driving the price up. And I know some of you guys have that $100,000 price target. And if everyone actually continues to hold the line, that is actually possible. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if AMC shot all the way up to $10,000 very quickly because of how much support AMC is getting from retail investors and Wall Street bets and people holding the line. With that said, many people are not interested in selling, and some people are investing hundreds of thousands of dollars here, and they're more excited about sticking it to some of these hedge funds that have been shorting the stocks. So they're actually more interested than sticking it to the hedge funds than actually making money. Now, this is very interesting, and I think that AMC is definitely going to keep blowing up. And even though Cramer is blasting AMC and he said that the stock is overvalued and that retail investors will lose our 5 minutes of fame, there was a trading halt because there was a small frenzy in the market after he did say that, and AMC dipped. There was a trading halt, and naturally one would expect that after this trading halt, after trading resumed, the stock would trend down for a bit, and that was not what happened. Instead, the complete opposite happened. AMC shot back up and went even higher. So you guys can take a look at the charts yourself in whatever brokerage account you use. There is a lot less selling and a lot more buying. There's more bullish activity on AMC right now, even with the experts bashing AMC. So with all that said, I'll definitely be doubling down on AMC. I'll be increasing my position on AMC, and the only regret I have as of right now is that I didn't go a lot harder on AMC last week and also earlier on in this week. However, I still believe that there will be a dip. There has to be some small dips somewhere because naturally there will be some paper hands and there will be smaller dips along the way. I'll definitely be taking those as buying opportunities because I really think that AMC has the potential to blow up, and we can easily see a 100% price increase in just a few hours or a few days from now, and that is just the beginning. Now, with all that said, remember guys, I'm definitely not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not giving financial advice on this channel. These are just my opinions and my predictions. And yes, I do not have a crystal ball, but this is what I think is going to happen. And this is what I'll be doing. So I'm just sharing my opinions and what I'll be doing. And you guys can think about this and you can make your own decisions based on all the facts and what you think as well. Now, I want you guys to comment below and let me know if you're in on AMC right now, or if you're planning on going in on AMC, or if you're planning on increasing your positions. Now let's talk about the shorts, and for you guys holding the line, this is good news. Shorts have been dealt a massive blow. They lost about billions, or actually they lost about $1 billion, or they stand to lose $1.8 billion in just the past 24 hours. In fact, there's a tweet here from Ortex showing that short sellers have lost another $1.2 billion in just about an hour from their earlier tweet, and this was late yesterday, so this is still 24 hours or 24 hours ago. Shorts are losing a lot of money here, and the short interest has also fallen, and I think that some of the shorts covered their positions, but definitely not all of them. We still have a lot more shorts or short positions, and I still think this is enough. And retail investors are definitely making it known now that we can take control and we can make a lot of money here. Now, even with that said, we still have good news because even though this is all happening, there is an increase of 2.65 million shares being borrowed. So the shorts are still doubling down and we're still fighting. So I think this has a long way to go and there's a lot of money to be made here. So if you are investing in AMC, I think you stand to gain a lot of money. And comment below and let me know if you're a diamond hander, AMC holder. And with that said, I hope you guys make a lot of money, and I will see you guys very soon in the next one.